Abare, jangan nilai aku.
Number 19 Paul and number 53 Gebay. Number 6 Bisda and number 12.
Naku pare, yari kami, inububo ka.
Start of first.
Battle for third.
And the first goal goes for the Bisda. Over to swing. Swing. Stop it for swinging. No goal. Rebound for the jersey number 14 Nato Sastrell. Give it to number 7. The move crossing on the midway. Over to jersey number 7. Over the ball. Connects para the jersey.
Buena mano, isang galang.
And it's a 2-0 in favor for the Blue Colors. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 6, Vista, for the yellow. Vista on the back of jersey with the number 19 power. The back of jersey number 6, a ball movement. Fires, that's just a short one. And it goes jersey number 6, running back number 6. Number 5 misses, rebound on number 7. And it's a third one for Zlatan Ibrahimovic. It's a yellow positive, it's a 2-0.
Pare, si Madumi kasama. Ilabas mo na yan.
Wala na yung papalit.
Nagpapalabas na yan.
Looking for the super para number 6, give it to number 53. Good pass, Guevara. Guevara, and a pull out down to the third. And it covers para number 6, Win. Number 12 on the baseline, young purple, Serrano misses. Rebound on jersey number 7. And it comes double cross by the Beltran. The crowd waiting for Stevens to play with the number 7. Power for the move. One goal, rebound on the Pista. It's still 2-0 in favor for the Northern Bowlers. Vista give it to Serrano. Serrano over to number 5. Number 5, stop and pump for swing. Too much margin for number 50. Roberto Pedro. He fakes, he fires. One goal, rebound para the swing. Wala, rebound para the move.
Parang tinitignan pa ni Swing, lumipat yung ring eh. Hindi kaya lumipat yung ring? Sabi niya lumipat.
Still 2-0 in favor for the blue.
Walang pektos eh.
Audi may tangan. Balik kay number 6. Vista may tangan. Bigay kay Paule. Paule. Ball moment. Number 12 on the way downtown. In and out. Rebound goes to number 10. Tapos Garcia. Brings down the leather by Joseph Marquez.
Ito, sa ulawang ayaw mo yan. 5 lang sila. 5 lang yan.
Number 40. Astreno. 4. Wongo. Number 12 for the rebound. Give it to Joseph number 6 before 100 by Sandy Clinton. Here comes Vista playing down the leather again for the yellow. Looking for Paule. Paule with the medium range. And the lucky bounce.
Kaya naman pala sinundo. Kaya pala sinundo. Ngayon napipilitan na siya eh. Napilitan nang ilabas yung tinatago.
The first deadlock of the game. Vista attacking on the baseline. Connects para kay Vista.
Lalabas mo yung ano mo, yung
It's a 4-2 double jersey number 7.
Wala, hindi rin magtatampi. Wala na sa substitution eh.
Here comes jersey number 6, Vista Borico. Vista Romero gives the swing. Swing, launches, and a last touch for number 53 is another bounce.
Wala na kondisyon ko ngayon ah.
Still a deadlock with a 4 apiece. Hit at first. Here goes jersey number 7. The move number 12. The move 6 Sergei Russian and a lucky bounce by jersey number 7. It's a 6-4, but a good kalamangan pass at the Roman. Vista, another control, give it to Swing. Swing, cross-court pass. Serrano on the baseline, jumper. That was a long two. It's a third deadlock, it's a 6-all. Estrella, number 14, give it to number 12. Beltran fires, one goal, jersey number 5 and 8 times, number 9, a bounce pass. Serrano again for the medium range, in and out, 3-4 Garcia. An outlet pass by
Ahim sa acrobatic pass.
And he comes jersey number 6, Swing. Swing on the ball, given to number 6, Bista. Bista, a ball movement, number 53 on the corner, pocket. No goal, rebound for the number 7. They will bring down the level, the 3 more situations. Bertrand in the program.
Nagawa ni Sherman.
Number 12. And a shot that comes to 15, 40, 30 to the point. Probably number 7 and a back-to-back point. Target the blue. Then 6 is our call, 4.3 for the blue. Paul, even the jersey number 6, Bista. Bista over to number 5, Swing. Swing puts it up. In and out, rebound for the number 7. Now they pass para kay Sakala. Give it to Paul. Paul over to Swing. Ivan Benedetto, sakay for the yellow. He launches. No goal. Rebound para kay jersey number 14.
Di makaribon si Ibarra.
Bertrand transfers Sakala. Puts it up. And puts it in para kay Sakala. The score is 12-6. A 6-20 for the Lava Rollers. With a 4 minutes and 40. Swing. Picks up the ball by Bista. Bista to Paul. Paul with a pull up on air ball. Rebound para kay jersey number 7. And pass the ball. Brings down the level for the blue. That is taking the ball. They go with a steal for the number 5. And in comes Mr. Swing. Over to Bista. Bista and drop pass. Swing in the reverse. And rolls the foul. A 1 minute and jersey number 10. For the second, this last throw.
Alas 10 tayo mga kawin.
Fires 2, 1 of 2. It's a 12-8 in favor para sa ating Lava Rollers. Jersey across the midway, looking for an open and over to Sakala. Sakala on the baseline. First one, number 12. Foul jersey number 5. And hacking foul for the first. 2 shots for Bertrand. First try connects by number 12. Second, this last throw is a swing. Ibonel para sa ating yellow is a 13-8, 5.3 for the Lawman. Bista setting a play for the yellow. Gave it to number 19 from downtown. He showed a good save for the number 10 and an outlet plus for the number 12. That's a great thing for the number 10. Bista, Paul, swing, an outlet to number 23 and gives up the foul with a score. Basket count, foul on jersey number 7, and hacking foul for the Spurs with the second team foul. 3-point play opportunity para number 53, that was Mr. Guevara. Bonus shot na yan mga jumper. Ames, fires, completes the 3-point play. It's a 13-11. And it comes Sakala on the back middle. A good defense player.
Traveling.
Illegal to Rocco, an extra set. And a traveling violation by the jersey number 5. Still a 13 to go, winning 3-4 for Sakala with 3 minutes and 25 seconds to go. This number 12 for the yellow. Give it to number 19, Paul. Paul Abastas, Guevara, balik kay number 6. Finish shot clock 14, 13, 12, baseline jumper. Rebound for the number 14, that was Estrella. Give it to Bertrand. Bertrand, the goal, stop and pop. In and out, the number 7. The ball fading away. In and out play. Rebound for the number 12 and the footman. For the jersey number 12. Rebound number 53 goes a foul. 14 with an hacking foul per Zunia with a team foul number 3. Another free throw, wala para kay jersey number 53. Sorelis para kay Gilana. And for the second to this last throw, Ames fires a screen para kay Gilana. Picks up the ball by jersey number 5 is a 15-12. The 3-point lead for the long one. Give it to the move. Number 12. Because of that was a carrying the ball. Carrying the ball is a double dribble. That was a good call by referee Gutierrez. Referee Mendoza and referee Tilamao for the 5-49. Lugo Shelter picks up the ball again for number 6. Here comes Disna. Disna on the dribble. Over to Swing. Swing with a pull-up. Too strong. Rebound by
Wala sa condition.
number 12. And a steal. There comes number 6 Beast on the line. The bounce pass para kay Serrano on an 18-foot line. Connects para the jersey number 12. It's a 15 to 14, a 1-point deficit for the Loma. 1 minute and 52 remaining in the first. Give it to Estrella. Above 1 minute for the blue. 14 seconds on the shot clock. The blue fade away. And that was a little trouble for the number 7.
Traveling naman.
The third number for the blue is still 1.3 with a 15 to 14 is on count. 1.3 for the rundown. Picks up the ball by number 6 and here comes Bisna. Bisna on the back of the arm. Give it to Serrano. Serrano again with a medium range in and out. Offensive rebound. Para the jersey number 15. Swing with the ball picks up the glass is good. Para the swing. And it's a James Fillmore. 16 to 15. 1.3 for the net now. 1 minute and 13 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock for the blue. Shot clock down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Shot clock is reset. Rebound for the Americans. Given to Bisna. Bisna in control. Bisna zigzagging. A drop pass. Running shot. A solid from the Paule. Rebound Americans on the pitch. Another. Given to Sunderland the ball fix. And it is a basket from the number 7. So this is a bottle 17 to 16. 1-point lead. Para sa ating Loma. Picks up the ball by Paula with 35 seconds. Paule. Still on the ball. Give it to number 50 with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Swing. That was a 52 home ball. Rebound by number 19. Give it to number 6. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Swing. Loses.
Alat.
11 seconds to go. Sangala with a euro. 1 goal. Picks up for the lead ball. 6 seconds on the game clock. Number 4. 3, 2, 1.
Champion daw kukuha ng MVP.
7. Second and you, the second team foul. Subdivision, better try out. Pasok naman si Mr. Sandalan. Sa 14 seconds on the shot clock. Reset tayo dahil may foul. Gepara, give it a swing. Swing from downtown. Short. Rebound, jersey number 10 for the Sandalan. Sandalan bring down another for the blue. Sandalan inside with the bounce pass. Estrella. Double on the baseline. Drive. Steal it by the number 7. And a steal goal for the Loma. It's a 27 to 21. 6-point lead in the second. Gepara number 53 by Tadman. With a shot clock down to 11 seconds. Gepara with a stopper back. A 2-1 sponsor. Rebound Garcia. Picks up the ball by Estrella. Paule over to Sandalan. Sandalan. Nabitin si Sandalan. Nice defense for him. Forces a net para number 5. Still 27 to 21 in favor for the blue. Sweet jersey number 5. Give it back to The bounce pass by Garcia. A bullet pass by number 7. Jabu. Powell versus Amber. This is good by Powell. And it's a turnover by Zabu. This is 6-point lead. Here it goes. 27-21 in favor for the Blue. And it's a elbow. Single time. Offensive rebound for Garcia. Getting up the forward, the ball, and a kick back for the Garcia number 12. 29-21, 8-point lead para sa ating Lawan Horse. Sweet, give it to jersey number 6, para jersey number 5. Sweet again at the back of the line. First one for us, Marta. Here, Baba from downtown. No goal. Recovers by Powell. Sweet with a running shot off the glass. Too much muscle. Rebound on Powell. Give it to jersey number 1, comes by Brown. Returns started Powell off the glass. 31-21 is a 10-point lead para sa ating Lawan Horse. In the first half. Exactly 5 minutes to play here in the second. 14 seconds on the shot clock for Leo. Giving back to Vista. Vista, deflected, and a steal by the jersey number 5. Sandala goes all the way for the jersey number 5. Jersey number 23, that was Guevara. 33-21, 12 number 20. 53, that was Guevara. Given to Vista. 37-28, 9.3 for Lawan here in the third. Over to jersey number 10. Fires in out, Bertrand Bertrand. Bertrand brings down the level for the Blue. Bertrand drop pass, Sangalang on the baseline. In and out, rebound for the jersey number 2, that was Heleno. The ball was for the Swing. Swing setting up play for the yellow. Give it to jersey number 6, that was Vista.
Pare yung buka, pre.
Step back shot for Guevara. Number 2 para kay Guevara. So 30-37, 7-point lead. Picks up the ball by the Blue. The ball with a point. Short rebound of jersey number 53. Give it to number 6. Here comes Vista. Amasa, swing, running shot. In and out. Turnover, last shot para kay Garcia. Simple for you. Galing kay San Jose. Mayroon siya po yun. This is 16 seconds on the shot clock from San Diego. Powell, one pass for Guevara. Guevara on the baseline, jumper. Another, ready to go number 7. Here comes the Blue, harassing by Serrano. Double steal and control. The bounce pass para the number 16. Powell with a floater. One goal. And it's another last pass for Powell. Yellow passing for time. And he comes Vista on the line. Big down to the yellow. A drop pass. And a goal stop by 3. Goes by number 6. Loose ball Powell. Pushing Powell number 19.
Warning.
That was Powell picks.
First foul pa lang.
First personal foul with a tip foul number 1 for Leo. Picks up the ball by Garcia. Garcia, Sangalang from downtown, won't go, and a bounce line. Subdivision, number 10 out, Garcia, pass on Estrella. Picks up the ball by number 6, and Mr. Vista with 37-30, 7.8. Get back, good catch from number 53 at the back corner. Over to Swing, Swing, long chest. Walon, after the number 7. And here comes the ball, brings down another. The ball bounce pass. Give it up to number 7. And that was an offensive foul, and loose ball foul for the number 7. Yun ang hawik si number 7. That was a loose ball, an offensive foul para the number 7. Here's the new number number 7, tatlo na tayo sa Mr. Blue. And the first team foul para sa ating Blue. Vista. Swing on the corner. Swing on, gets out, swing out. Push on, get out, push on. One throw, number 7, and here comes the over to number 12. Bertrand puts it up and puts it in para Bertrand. 39-30. Back to 9-point lead para sa ating Blue. Our jersey number 19 gave it to number 6 Vista, the third general for the Natal. Give it back to number 19 Paule. 5 short. Rebound on the straight. Cross the cross. Bertrand nawala. They found the race of the skill. Running back to back points for the Bertrand. 41-30 and 11-point lead for the number here in the third. Paule pass for Gibara. Gibara cross-court pass para Serrano. Serrano recovers. Penetrates. In and out for the man. And it's a skill for Australia over the number 3-on-1 situation. Number 7 and easy basket para kay number 7. 43-30. 13-point lead. Para sa ating Blue, yan po ang ating lawan. Battle for 34 ito. Naghihintay na yung ating lalabas sa finals. Oh, 3! Knocks it down. Para kay Mr. Swing. Of 43-33. 10-point lead for the Lawan Bowlers. Isa na po kay Sanggalang. Sanggalang still on the dribble of back for number 5. Giving to number 16. Foul with the ball fakes. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Running shot for the Blue. Off the glass is good. 45-33. 12-point lead. Double digit for the Blue. Goes right away. A shot one for the Vista. A nice defense for the Blue. Here comes the Blue. The ball was lost. Bertrand with the running shot. Off the glass is good. With a nice kick and goal. Para sa ating lawan. 47-33. So 14-point lead para sa ating lawan. Paule. Vista. Number 19. The number 6 again.
0-3.
Wide of the post.
Best of 7.
Give it to Sanggalang. Sanggalang on the run. Sanggalang on the ball fakes. Tips to do. Para kay jersey number 5. Tips to do move. 49-33. 16-point lead for the lawan. Paule controlling the ball. The bounce pass para kay Gibara. Gibara with the ball. In and out, dribble on the straight. Give it to jersey number 5. Ready comes Sanggalang. Sanggalang. And that was ang legal travel. Pakalang-talong. Yugo step po yun. Hindi Euro step. Kaya traveling po yun. Yugo step po yun. Hindi po Euro step. Step by step. 49-33. Ito yun. Para sa ating Blue. Pass was for Paul. Gibara wide open. Authorized out. And there's the shoot. All para the jersey number 16. That was Paul Cruz. 16. First and the second team foul. 2 shots for Swing. Get ball tayo siya. First, walang para pag get ball tayo siya, serve na lang po tayo. Second, this last throw. Swing for Swing. Ito yung pwede siya. Last basket po tayo. Pag get ball ko. Here comes Astrero. Crossing at a midway. Astrero over to number 12. Baseline jumper. In now. Rebound and Gibara and drops a foul. Foul on jersey number 16. It's a 17-point lead here in the third period. 12 seconds on the shot clock for the Blue. Number 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Shot clock is reset. Out the glass is good with a putback para kay Paule. 53-34 is a 19-point lead. Para sa ating laban, Vista, Gibara, After for jersey number 50, Baptista. 13 on the shot clock. Right after point, Guevara. In and out. Recovers by number 6. Guevara for a second. Wala pa by number 12. And it comes to the pass for number 7. And that was an offensive foul by number 7. Warning na yun, number 7. That was your 4th personal foul. Warning for penalty. Subdivision. 7 out. Sanggalang coming in.
Apat na foul.
Natay yung tako, talagang tako mo.
Tingnan mo mga.
Artista swing, artista. Ay, nagtay pa rin sa mga baya.
2 minutes and 15 in the third period.
Artista swing.
For the ball, but the bounce pass from the team. Guevara. A little hesitation, giving to number 6. Fly high for the number 6. A bounce pass all along for Sanggalang. Bye bye for the number 5. 56 to 34. It's a 22 point. 55 to 34. Ayan. Wide open. Para Estrella. And it comes number 6, Bista. Bista. What's it up? Number 15. 1 minute and 55 seconds in the third. Sanggalang gets foul. Foul on jersey number 12. That was Serrano. The second team foul. 2 shots for the Sanggalang. 55 to 34, 21 point lead para sa ating laban. First drive, volley para sa Sanggalang. Second to his last throw. Games, fires, 2 misses, recovers, a reverse, won't go, foul for the rebound. Give it to number 5, American swing. Swing across court, consolation of the situation for the number 10. Beltran pull up, no ball, rebound, Powell. Powell to number 12. Serrano, hold on the 20 yellow, swing across. Baseline ground still by the number 53. 1 minute and 16 seconds to go in the third. Garcia in control, give it to number 5. Sanggalang launches, in and out, recovers, and a steal para the swing. Exactly 1 minute. This blocked by Garcia.
Huwag ka na kasi pe-fake. Pagka-tap mo, tira mo agad.
This about to give up. Swing from downtown. Short rebound Estrella. 50 seconds to go. Foul over to Beltran. And there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 5. That was swinging. Second personal foul. Team foul number 3. Simple for the blue. 44 seconds to go. It comes Beltran again. A bounce pass para kay Estrella. A pull-up. An airball rebound para kay jersey number. Bista. A bounce pass for Powell. Giving to jersey number 53. Rose Pablo. Guevara. Number 10 is the ball out of bounds time. 15 seconds on the game clock. Down to close. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, ng ating yellow at ang ating blue. Jersey number 58, that was Guevara. Give it to Tista, Bosma, falling on the corner, pocket, and he comes to Blushit, brings down the little bit of Sangalang. Sangalang give it to number 7, the Blue. The ball rolling around, jersey number bounce once again by the number 5, lifts the ball, and a steal by the jersey number 6. Tista, swing with the long shot, and a lucky pound by the jersey number 5. The ball again on the ball, a bounce pass by the Powell. Powell back to number 7. 15 on the shot clock, puts it off and puts it in by the number 7. Ayaw pa mabigil. 24 points na para kay number 7. Guevara, looking for number 3. Serrano with the ball play.
Libre na!
Give it to Sweet. A ball movement. 14 on the shot clock. And a photo is still by number 52. 57 to 40. 17-point lead para sa ating Blue. Sangalang set play para sa ating Blue. Yan si jersey number 5. Looking for number 7. Tabu. Give it to number 10. 8, 7 seconds on the shot clock. 5, 4, 3. Shot clock is reset. Ibang para kay Ibang. Boss pass para kay Tista. Cross pass. Swing with the ball pick. Swing with the ball. Jumper in now. Ibang problem. Ito si Porter.
Ang galing sa gulang, ano? Gulang sa gulang.
Sangalang force. And whistle. Paul, jersey number 12. Number 2. Ibang with the second with the first team foul para sa ating yellow. 2 shots for Sangalang. At pumasok sila. First try, ininang for Sangalang. Second to his last stroke. Although he found the yana. Para sa ating pagkagawin Tista. Tista. Swing of the last game now, it was for number 53. For number 53, Garcia. Picks up the ball by Sangalang, a 3-point transition. Sangalang, Debu, the ball, flex for the for the Eagles at the main game. Game 1 for the finals. Kessel versus Malza. He'll give up, looking for 3. 3 from away, 3! And knocks it down for the swing. Takes it all by the Blue. 41 to 59. It's a 18-point lead para sa ating. Look at for the Blue number 7. 13 on the shot clock. Sangalang with the ball pick. A little hesitation, down to 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good, tumama sa ring.
Tumama po yan. Put back para kay number 16 yan si Powell.
Binlock niya yung sarili niyang kasama. Binlock ka pare. Nal, nagawa ka ng bola kasama.
Kaya po, basketball tayo. Sangalang on the corner. And that final for jersey number 5. 61 to 41. 20-point lead for the Roman. 15 on the shot clock for the Blue. Give it to the Blue. The Blue number pass forward. Jersey number 5. Shot number 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out of bounds. 61 to 41. Still a 20-point lead. Cross short pass para kay swing by jersey number 6, Vista. Swinging from downtown. In and out, rebound para kay number 7. Under 6 minutes to play, 5 minutes and 55 seconds.
Ayaw sumurrender.
A book cross for the blue. Harassing by number 53, tulong po si number 8 on the shot clock. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shot clock is rested. 14 seconds. Astrero penetrates well and inside
Astrero.
5 minutes and 30 remaining here in the fourth period. Picks up the ball by number 8 comes Vista. Vista on the run, giving a swing on the baseline. Top for the steal para the swing.
Para 18 na lang yan.
61 to 43 and an 18-point lead for the Blue. Remaining time is 5 minutes and 10. Sangalang on jersey number 5, giving back to Garcia. 9 on the shot clock, 8, 7, 6, 5, shot clock isolation. 14 seconds. Shot clock down to 10, 9, 8, shot clock isolation. 3-1 para next wing. And it comes number 6, brings down the level for the Vista says in the middle, and throws the foul. Foul with jersey number 10.
Sa wakas,
Garcia for the foul. But the team for number 1 for the Blue. 2 shots para the Vista. First try, assault para the Vista. Second to his last throw. 8, 5, this is 3. Rebound for the Blue. Picks up the ball by Sangalang. 4 minutes and 25 seconds to go. The pass was for Garcia. Give it inside to number 7. Double rushing back to 14 on the shot clock. Double with the back to the pass. But there is an illegal contact. Foul on jersey number 53. And that was Guevara. Second and using Guevara with the second team foul for the yellow. 2 shots para the Blue. First is good para the number 7. Second to his last throw. 2, 1 of 2 for the Blue. 26 points for number 7 ang ating laban. Vista, Paul, a boss was in track of the Guevara Federation. In and out for Guevara. Rebound para the Garcia. Garcia for the Sangalang. Sangalang picks. Malaki ka. Defender ni number 5. Balik kay Paul at 12 seconds shot clock. A floater in and out. Rebound on Guevara. An outlet pass para the Vista. Vista in the picture. Wala, even sa the second try.
Umigpe. Amat-amat na.
Sangalang, give it to number 7 on pull-up. And a lucky bounce para kay number 7.
Ang MVP
65 to 44 in favor for the Malban. Back to 11 to 20 Guevara will stay. Guevara drives is good para the Guevara. So the ball again by the Blue. A bounce pass Astrero. The Blue loses the steal para the number 19. Here comes number 3, Serrano. Launches. An airball rebound. Garcia give it to Astrero. The bounce pass Astrero penetrates. Rebound on Vista.
Mahalas si Astrero.
Over to number 12. 2 minutes and 50 remaining in the fourth. Swing on the baseline. Don't go. Rebound para kay Guevara. 7-30 na punta para kay Guevara.
Gulang talaga eh.
Astrero on the ball. Give it to the Blue. The Blue with a ball. Off the glass is good for the Blue.
30 na yan, 30 na.
2 minutes and 30. Picks up the ball by Paul. Give it to number 53, Serrano. Good for two para Isera. 67-50, a 17-point lead for the Blue with a 2 minutes and 10 in the fourth period. The Blue in control over to number 5, 11 on the shot clock. Down to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Shot clock is risen. 1 minute and 50 seconds. This swing, foul and loses. I don't say
Ay,
foul and loses. 13 on the shot clock, 3:22 para the swing.
may rebound na. Dalawang rebound nyo, pare.
1 minute and 37 seconds. Sangkalang penalties. Won't go rebound para number 53. Yung para number 2.
1 and 30, 72.
Para sa Janta, no go rebound by
Wala na.
Garcia.
Oh, 3 points, oh.
Para the jersey number 6, Vista. Vista launches the ball on the ground.